When we entrust family members to a nursing home, we expect that their medical needs and safety are going to be taken seriously. But what happens when a facility's staff ignores a resident's documented care plan? I'm Barry Doyle, a lawyer from Skokie handling nursing home abuse and neglect cases throughout the state of Illinois. Let's take a look at a citation from the Illinois Department of Public Health regarding Elevate Care Country Club Hills. In this case, exactly illustrates why adhering to strict safety protocols in the resident care plan is so critical and how a facility stretching its staff too thin can lead directly to preventable accidents. The resident in this case was a 57-year-old woman who'd been at the facility long-term. She had a complex medical history, including cerebral palsy, vascular dementia, and severe weakness on her left side. She wore a brace on her left foot to support her mobility. Because of her high risk for falls, her care plan had a very specific documented protocol. She required a two-person assist in the use of a mechanical lift for all transfers. Protocols like this are put into place for a reason. They protect the resident from falls, and they protect the staff from injury. But a two-person transfer requires exactly that, two people. But on the date of this incident, those instructions were entirely ignored. She was transferred from bed to her wheelchair by a single aide, not two, manually, not with a lift. According to the resident's interview with investigators, the aide grabbed her under the arms, stood her up, and then simply let go of her left side. The resident fell immediately to the floor. She recalled hearing a chilling cracking sound the moment she hit the ground. The result, a closed fracture of her left tibia and fibula that required immediate hospitalization. There are two takeaways from this investigation. The first is that you had one person doing a two-person job. That's a hallmark of an understaffed facility. Federal regulations require nursing homes to have enough qualified staff on hand to meet the residents' needs on a 24/7 basis. And when there aren't enough people on hand to meet the care needs of the residents, staff feels pressure to cut corners just to get the job done. And they get away with it, and they get away with it up until the point they don't. And that's when residents pay the price. Understaffed nursing homes produce more falls, more bed sores, more preventable injuries and deaths for nursing home residents, and an understaffed nursing home is the product of choices made by management. The second takeaway, and the one emphasized by the IDPH investigation, is that there was a breakdown in communication. The nurse on duty at the time of the fall didn't even know the resident's transfer status. Another nurse admitted that she had no idea the care plan required two people. Federal regulations, the facility's own policies, required staff to follow these care plans, but clearly the system broke down. And the director of nursing and the administrator admitted that the rules weren't followed, and a vulnerable resident paid the price. For more information about how and why understaffing a nursing home produces unnecessary injuries and deaths, check out this.